All right. Welcome, y'all. Let's try YouTube out. Trying to set up the chat right now. Let me send this link in for you guys. Well, that's actually pretty low delay. Oh, yo, what's up, Angelina? TikTok blocked every Maxine comment you made yesterday. They put me in YouTube jail. I know. Genuinely tragic. Oh, sucks. It was, honestly, though, like, I had to go to YouTube at some point. It was just a matter of when, but still kind of an L. Oh, I swear, I was like, as soon as Trump said that on live, I knew we were done for. We were doomed. Tragic. Oh, I'm not gonna say it right now because I don't want to get banned again, but I'll just say it was classified as hate speech. Put it that way. Had a pretty big pump at open. Check the bias on the day. Yeah, welcome everyone. The YouTube delay is actually very low. I put it as low as possible. It's pretty good, so we're just ranging right now. Might fill New York AM high. Keep an eye on it. I'm gonna put this idea here. Yo, what's good, Christopher? Wait, no, Angelina, can you send the his post, like the link to it or something? I did not see that yet. Yo, what's up, Lucas? Let's go, guys. We really out on YouTube now. YouTube jail, as Angelina said. But we already did pretty good today on our funded. Try and show you guys that. Yeah, we gotta call you Kif still, but yeah, I forgot things are different on here too. Okay, pretty strong 1 minute candle to AM high. How many points is that? About 75, quite volatile. Hey, yeah, Locos. Kev, how do I fix my swing? Real question. Bro, I saw your driver swing. It was not bad. It went pretty far. Low-key tripping. Half time you shank it. Bro, me too. Hey, yo, check the P&L though. This ain't bad. Oh, you sent it in the Discord? Alright, thank you. I'm trying to show it. throwing right now. Don't show it. Yeah, I probably shouldn't. Oh, true. I'll send it in the Discord. I'll just send it in the Discord results channel. But I mean, it's just for the Alpha Futures funded. Working towards that payout, hopefully end of week. I think we can get there. A whole civilization will die tonight. I'm quoting his tweet, by the way. I'm not making my own thread, I swear. Bro mentioned regime change again. This is ridiculous. It's like he's like getting into a middle school fight, I swear. Unbelievable. Guys, we're just ranging right now till then. Anyone take a trade already? I think I'm long bias, but CPA. Look at this screen real estate is way better, not gonna lie. Just watching. Yeah, I just took some gold longs last night for the funded. Some scalps here and there, but nothing crazy. You get a payout with top line. Yeah, bro, no, not yet, but hopefully end of week. Not gonna lie, I've been more focused on the Alpha Futures accounts because I didn't want to set up like copy trading through both of those. At least not yet. Oh, you might pass top one today? Let's go. Oh, so we're gonna get some huge news around Power Hour potentially. Okay, good to know. Let's see where PA might go. What do we have? 1200, a little more now. No, about, yeah. Up like 1200 points in the last week or so. Been ranging since London pretty much. Oh, he's giving them till 11 a.m. Eastern? That's pretty soon, yeah? Bro, either way, probably better to watch the just watch the market right now. Yeah, open is at this open's pretty trash, not gonna lie. Market spiked right around 8 a.m. Communication was cut between. Damn, there's actually beef. Yeah, this is we gotta just watch, guys. Look at this range. Iran just said not considering negotiation. See if we hold pre-market low. Computer enter. Ain't no way. We're right below lower deviation. This could be sweep. See how the next few candles close. I gotta drop a day in the life. Bro, I low-key will. I feel like those always do well with the algo. Out until power hour. Alright, sounds good. Fair enough. The day in the lives do be hidden. Or not. I just saw on my feed Ashton Hall Indian version. That's the type of brain rot on my feed right now. Order block here. Rejection. Let me check eigenstate. Look at that, guys. See if we even respect this pre-market low. Oh hell nah. Who's asking you to join the Telegram, bro? Let me know and I'll ban them right now. That is unacceptable. Ola? Let me check who Ola is. Wait, I can't really find them. I may have banned them. Nearing pre-market low. Bro, I found Ola. Do they have like candlesticks for their profile picture? All right, I'm gonna ban their ass. Can't be doing stuff like that. All right, they're officially banned. That'd be that'd be crazy work if you just banned like a homie right there, something. Bro, he doesn't even have like proper English. It's so obvious. Okay, yeah, I just saw the DC. He is LARPing. It's such a dead giveaway when they can't even speak like coherent English. Like you'd think the least you would do when you're scamming is learn the language that you're gonna scam in properly. Yeah, just playing along, see where they're going with it. Doesn't look like M&Q's holding. Micro gold on the other hand, it's not bad. New York AM low though is still intact. Just gonna come up with BS strategy LARP. New meta. Bro, has that been working? Be kind of a risky long right here. Right, genuinely, yeah. Choppy at price action. Because Trump's always like sending out these goofy threats. Cooks the market. It's very important level here. Yeah, to anyone who joined, thanks for joining over onto YouTube. And don't forget to like. Hopefully, I think it's harder to get through YouTube's algorithm, but I think we can do it. Pretty strong up candle, actually. Might be protecting a higher low. Gonna check eigenstate. Not convinced just quite yet to long here, but keeping an eye on it. See if we go back up to VWAP. All right, Forex Factory. Let's see what's going on because obviously Trump's saying something. It's just a threat. You tried shorts but went break even early. Yeah, it's so hard to take a trade right now. Very high risk. Yeah, exactly. Everything looks risky right now. Plus, we're still in a range. We haven't even really picked a direction yet. And I think tomorrow is red folder, right? Yeah, FOMC tomorrow. Some more red folder stuff Thursday and Friday. And CPI on Friday. Crazy week. Okay, yeah, FOMC minutes. That's just the summary, huh? Longs off Asia low. True. Yeah. Longs at 151. Not bad. I'm still gonna watch it though, because this looks like bearish shelving continuation. Well, in reality, pretty much anything in this range right now is gonna be. I won't take anything too heavily, and my confluence as it's probably just noise in this range. So I need to see probably a break out from the two deviations. Right now, it's especially hard to pick a move because it's like we're downtrending bearishly with random squeezes to the upside. So it's hard to hold a position right now in any direction. Yeah, we're revisiting. Straight noise, actually. Yeah, a lot of selling energy. All right. Here's New York low, swept, pre-market low, swept. See if we flush, guys. Let's see if that was just a sweep or a continuation. There's Asia low from April 5th at 87. I think that's next. Kind of a risky gold long, I'm thinking. Yeah, we're gonna need to see some structural shift to the upside. But the RR would not be terrible. Just a VWAP projection at open in continuation. Yeah, this absolutely dumped. See how price reacts in this zone. Not quite convinced we bounce here just yet. Yeah, we're still not done. He must have said something really, really bearish. How many points is that? Still just dumping 130 points. Whoa, silver absolutely dropped. Still just going on NQ. Maybe we'll see some strength here. Something like that. Still very early to try and take this, but are we really due this low? And if so, where do we bounce? Still on our way, yeah. Let me check what he said. Can't find anything in particular. You think we see a reaction at 73? Oh, I just saw that. Bro, yeah, genuinely, this is crazy. At least we're picking a direction, I guess. I guess. This hourly is insane. Yeah, we're absolutely dropping. We're not holding anything. I mean, I'd like to look for a long, obviously, but it's too risky right now. There's a low from, yeah, from Sunday. This looks like it wants to flush still. Yeah, if we don't bounce off Sunday Asia low, next range you have is 963. Might see some strength here, looks like. But wow, guys, yeah, crazy. Real question is, do we hang out in this range or are we straight back up? Bro, you know what's crazy? I'm pretty sure Quant did call short. Guys, not gonna lie, Quant did call a short. Not sure why it's not showing. Did you guys see that? Okay, I have no idea why it showed for a split second, but it did call a short. Bro, I know I should have taken it. Should have. Would have been banking. Recovery on NQ is not even close to gold's. Let's check crude oil. This thing just ripping. Yeah, it's probably just ripping because we're gonna obliterate Iran right now. So bad for the market though. No, that's not looking terrible for a recovery. And Q, not bad. Gold's still looking better. See if this holds a higher low. Definitely better to wait till things clear up. Holy. I am not in. I'm looking for a V-shaped recovery though. I'm curious to see if that happens. Bro, Mario, let's go. You caught the short? Bro, Eigenstate called the short and I missed it. So Guys, this is when it's good to use eigenstate. Even, yeah, because I don't show every call, unfortunately. Bro, Mario, good stuff, though. Made 750. Still, dude. Very good work right there. I know, we would have wrapped things up. I'll keep a close eye on eigenstate. Oh, let's go, Leanna. You caught it as well. Hey, as long as you took profit, right? That's profit's profit at the end of the day. Got cooked a bit yesterday afternoon. Price action was terrible yesterday afternoon. As soon as I got banned, price was just trading sideways. Bit of a recovery here on NQ. Gold's kind of lagging now, actually. Guys, I think the move, I might be looking for a short closer to pre-market low. I think that might be the play for me. I think we could see a V recovery. As long as we hold higher lows here for gold and NQ. Oh, I'm not in at it. Just saw that. See if this continues up or if we just keep flushing. We're gonna need to see a. Yeah, that would have been a lovely short, not gonna lie. There'll be more opportunities though. Hey, Leanna and Mario caught it, so at least some people did. Smooth 5 min, bro. 5 minis is unbelievable. I genuinely don't think I've ever sized in with 5 minis. Not even on a paper account. Bit of a doji on the 15. 1 minute. I'd like to see a big bullish candle. Yeah, maybe a short off first deviation or pre-market low area around 133. Go big or go home. Bro, yeah, it changes lives. Puts you on the street. Puts you in a penthouse or on the streets. There's that big 1 minute candle we were talking about. Still not seeing it on gold though. Interesting. 50 away from payout and lost it. Damn. Happens to the best of us. How was your discipline? How did that go about? Because I mean, it depends on if you properly managed your risk and your strategy and your edge just what wasn't working in this current market. I wouldn't really beat yourself up too much about it. Really just depends more on the specifics of how that happened. There's the strong candle. You could maybe DM me on the side in the Discord. We can go into more detail later in the day if you want to figure that out. But I think everyone's done that probably at least once if they've gotten a few payouts. There's that strong candle. All right, guys, I'll keep a close eye on Eigenstate. Oh, thanks. There's that V-shaped recovery we were looking for. There it is on gold. Think I'll be looking to short soon. We might see a rejection here. Just given how much we've dropped already, I wouldn't feel too comfortable shorting here. I'd rather, especially if we shelf a bit, squeeze a bit higher, I'd rather short into VWAP. I might wait depending on the strength. There's a lot more buyers stepping in than anticipated. I think I'd much rather short between VWAP and first deviation. Bro, genuinely, like, absolutely not a bad idea to just watch the charts today. Maybe lock the account out. Enjoy your day. Not a bad idea. Pretty much anything could happen in Trump's market. You just have to manage your risk very properly. This is our original trade. We're expecting a potential rejection off first lower deviation. It's a lot of buying strength, though. Yeah, I'd like to short. I'd just like to short a bit higher up. VWAP is still. Oh, wow. about 100 points away. Kip says never. Bro, I had a feeling you were gonna say that. No days off. Yeah, you have a very all-in strategy. I'll put it that way. No days off, and then always full porting. Hey, if it works, though, it works. You know, everyone has their own edge. It's the beauty of trading. MGC almost at VWAP. So I'm kind of expecting NQ to do that as well. Guys, if this drops without us, then I think I might look to long at a higher low pivot. Oh, guys, for anyone asking, OV4 is thinking a potential short here. Let me code this for the OV4. This would be an OV4 play. See how it plays out. Just not fully convinced. But maybe we do in fact drop here. Guys, they might have added something. You're trying to take a short right now, but you're on the toilet. Hey bro, that's what the phone's for. Yo, low key I can say it's cooking, guys. Bro, Eigenstate is cooking. Might have to just listen to that today. Guys, this is why having a quant tool is so advantageous. Because sometimes my psych or my discretion is off when there's like a huge drop at open, for example, or anything out of the ordinary. And that's where like quant tools can kind of just keep your rationale in check. So for me, I'm better at trading reversions. So this quant tool helps me kind of keep my mind clear when we're trending. Naturally, my psychology would be looking to just buy the tip right now. But the fact that OV4 is just calling shorts is really helping out. Yeah, it does help to trust it. I mean, obviously it's off on some days though. So if you trust like the reasoning, then it's all right. But it's you can't ever just fully follow one tool, but instead to like weight your decision through an aggregation of multiple confluences. At least that's what I've found to be most valuable. Hey, and who knows, guys? Maybe it would have been better to even wait. I doubt it, but we'll see. See, I'll be looking around this level. You're low key right. Just took a short while on the toilet, bro. We heard you the first time that you're on the toilet, bro. The way you're explaining it makes me think you only take shorts when you're on the toilet. Is that true? Is that the strat? If this works out, you might have to, bro. Fair enough. Fair enough. Bro, that this is the great thing about trading. You could take your shorts on the toilet. How about that? Lower high right here potentially. Rejection off first deviation. I mean, to be fair, this was our first look originally for looking for a short. I just didn't like how quickly buyers stepped in and how abrupt that strength to the upside was. Yeah, it kind of looks like we might be due a little higher. At least how that 1 minute wick is looking right now. Unless it closes over bearishly. It's about like neutral candle right there. Doji close with zero body volume. Some indecision in this range. I think this is Sunday Asia low at this 87 level. I would not take a long here though, guys. Would not look would not take it. Too risky. I would maybe consider a long around 24. You'd have to set your stop pretty wide though. I'll get the long chart ready if I like the price action though. Yeah, I would. That's another play we'll consider. So gold's breaking VWAP, it looks like. I think we are due up a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah, if you look at gold right here, we broke VWAP. This thing's kind of squeezing. Guessing we got our push up on M and Q. There's the squeeze, guys. I look for a short soon. We're getting closer. I want to see like 5 more green candles with somewhat weakness. Hey, what's good, man? Just watching still. What's marked out right here is the Eigenstate short, because unfortunately, Eigenstate called this short, which would have caught like 260 points, but I did not take it. This is why I tell you guys the tool that I use so you can have access to it yourself, because I don't take all the plays it calls out, because sometimes they don't align with my strategy, but yeah, you guys could have taken that. Might be just ranging or consolidating in the zone for a bit. Look at this range. Look at this range. See rejection. Break to the downside from the lower channel. I don't think it'll happen. I mean, the Eigenstate trade isn't looking terrible. Still don't fully trust it yet, but you would be in the green if you took that signal. Let's see if 93 holds. There it is. We at least wick past the channel. Might have to look for a higher low long soon if we get all the way down to 24. Although gold and NQ don't trade identically, I think there is some value in seeing gold's price action right now as somewhat related to NQ. MGC is past VWAP or did crossover, whereas MQ is still lagging far below. Which makes me think NQ will hold its downside consolidation with more strength. Let's check Eigenstate though. Still short bias. Yeah, gold's looking much stronger than Nasdaq right now. I think just because it'll hold its value. There's more certainty on its value because if it's less correlated to the outcomes of the war. Around 50-ish more points. And then I would look for a higher low long on Nasdaq. We'll see if we get to second deviation. Guys, this short is working. Short's playing out, not gonna lie. Bit of strength right there. It's a bit lower, not sure if we'll get there. Just gonna try. I'm in for a small micro just in case it moves without me. But I'd rather take the majority of my position around this 20-ish level. And that's why we enter. Just in case it leaves without us, right? Of course, we might be due down still, but price was looking like it wanted to leave without me. We'll see if we get the move back down to second deviation, but that's not bad behavior for bulls. Bro, let's hoop. Bro, I'm at basketball. We could go surfing though. I do go surf. Just wants to go lower. Bro, you did surf camp? Oh, let me close this door. Bro, you did. Where did you do surf camp? You hop off the toilet and price created Diddy? Yeah, genuinely cooked. Come on, PA, let's clean up. Some random beach in Florida. Bro, low key, I've heard the waves are like tiny in Florida. Wait, so you've been LARPing for a while then, huh? Surf camp in Miami. Guys, I guess I'm against Eigen State right now. See if Eigen State beats me. Kind of looks like it right now. Although I am expecting price to reach here, I just took a small entry in case we pump without me. Palm Beach, yeah, baby waves. Yeah, bro, you gotta go to West Coast. We have like some of the like trestles. I think they hosted like Olympics in trestles. It's like an hour from where I live. You're gonna have to fact check me on that though. Don't want to be putting out no false information. Yeah, that is pretty far, not gonna lie. Bro, I'm down to golf. I also heard like the soil in Florida, like it's like softer than California. Spyglass and Pebble. I did go to Pebble. I saw Rory play there. I used to be near Pebble when I was up at school, but now I'm just in a SD. I'm near Torrey Pines. See if this is the higher low, guys. Yeah, I've low-key heard golf where you guys are is better. It's better to LARP where you guys are and golf. Yeah, Torrey Pines is like pretty solid. Heard. Dub courses only? Yo, what type of courses are we talking about? Not genuinely, I need to stream in a penthouse. As soon as I get my TikTok live streaming back, bro, I might have to go to Miami and just go get an Airbnb penthouse and stream there, and then I'll get like 1,000 concurrent viewers, guaranteed. See if we tap into that liquidity zone I marked out too. Kind of surprised we haven't reached there yet. Oh, Trump has courses. Is it low key expensive to play out there? It's usually like under 100 for all the courses near me. All right, let's hit second deviation. Let's just sweep it and then go. And then I'd be happy. Then I can stay with hit TP and my long would be intact. Oh, the private courses are free? Hell no, 300 for a round. Wait, but the isn't the membership like there's like a club where you can play for free on the course, but the club near us, I'm pretty sure it costs like over 100K annually. I low key want to say it's like near like 500K for a lifetime membership at the club, maybe a million. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the clubs are pretty expensive. Honestly, that's like LARP maxing if I like film at those clubs. I gotta rent Lambos and at dinner leave and act like it's an emergency business. Bro. Yeah, but secretly my rental is about to run out and I don't want to have to pay the late fee. Bro, you guys have to teach me how to LARP. So I genuinely like have no idea like what watches slap. I'm not even really that into cars. Bro, yeah, I gotta get on some good at courses. Start selling a course. We're just slowly downtrending in this micro range. I think we're due for a squeeze soon. Day dates? Is that a dub brand? Hey, if that's the brand I need, then by all means. There's that zone we were looking for. Alright, I guess I'll actually like take my position here. We're gonna need to see strength soon though, otherwise we're cooked. It's quite a bit of selling energy here. Day-Day Rolex. Oh, okay, bro. I know what a Rolex is. I'm not that far behind. Rolex streaming in Miami penthouse, bro. That's insta fame. They'll get me collabing with TJR. Guys, if we don't protect this low, I probably won't be looking for longs as confidently. We'll see though. We need this candle to close pretty strongly. Bro, my stop loss actually got edged. Yeah, I don't want to speak too soon, but this stop loss might have been an insane stop loss. I think I spoke too soon though. Bro, what is gold doing? Speaking of. Honestly, gold PA is so much cleaner. Might be better to just trade that. Your stop loss, my TP. Bro, yeah, the eigenstate trade is cooking right now. I think your TP will get hit, not gonna lie. I think we're hanging out around here a bit too long. Made a quick 300 on a short. Bro, good stuff, Wilkos. I would be insanely surprised if you saw an A plus setup in this setting. Bro, I can stay one right there. Actual robot diff right there. Hey bro, good stuff to the guy who shorted on the toilet. That was a dub short right there. Clanker? Yo, chill, chill. I can't get banned again. I guess we do have this low I marked out from way back when. Yeah, that's the Asia low, I think from Sunday. Let's see if stop was a bit too tight. It's definitely hard to take a long here though. Bro, hard R is crazy work too. I think we're due lower. Riding this short, it would just be the move. See if we get strength here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Clank is good. Think we go lower, guys. We need a comeback, chat. Bro, I agree. We need an insane play now. Honestly, extremely unfortunate that long didn't work. 'Cause I think that has the best RR currently. I don't want to be delusional looking for another long, but let me check news. Let me see what Trump said. Or if this is all still just sentiment. Seven bans today. Bro, did you full for it again? Yo, bro. Yo, we need to see a candle soon. It's not looking like a reversal yet. It's a bit of strength. Come on, Forex Factory. What happened? Iran has stopped negotiation efforts, informing Pakistan would no longer engage in ceasefire talks. Is that not old news? So there's no more negotiating. That is not good. That's not good for the homies stationed there right now. If you revenge trade and break all your rules, you'll make it back. Bro, yeah, low key, I need to go to the casino with you, Kiv. I know for a fact that would be entertaining. Or are we seeing some strength here? Do I dare? I can't. We broke all of our key levels. I genuinely don't know what's next. I didn't mark levels out this low. We have April 1st. Bro, okay. All right, bro. We're genuinely getting down to like just literally joke levels. This is April 1st. Low at 912. It's like actually ridiculous. LARP, no LARP music. Can you guys hear anything? You almost had to put up the mortgage in my family, keep gambling. You just had the feeling the next one was in your favor. Oh, I just saw a song that said no more LARP music. Bro, my fault. I'll bring it out. Wait, let me know if you guys hear any music. You only lose in gambling if you quit. Yo, who said that? Yo, check this long chat. Holy long. Holy long play. Let's see if I can say said anything about that. Mm, it's long bias, but I didn't say long signal. Holy, bro. Yo, gang. Gang, where are we headed? Now imagine all the way back up to VWAP. Let me try and get my LARP going. LARP music for you guys. What are we doing here? I'd expect a bit of a pullback here. The charts are stopping the LARP. I'll fix this. Oh, voice has a little echo. Good to know. Let me fix that. Do I still have an echo? Let me know. It should be gone. Good now. Let me know if you guys can hear any aux, and I'll play the LARP playlist. Or we can make I could send a playlist in the chat right now, and we could make it. Bro, you're right. We do need magnet. Bro, that's what's happening. That's such facts. We just need a magnet. Yeah, my bad, Chad. Genuinely, I don't know what I've been thinking. I don't know why I've been trying to do this without magnet. Just like making it difficult for no reason, you know? Yeah, so this should play out easy, right? I'll send this I'll send my thing in the Discord. Yo, it's not. Oh, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. Yo, magnet. Magnet. Yo, check the Discord right now. Check the Discord right now. I have 6 micros at the bottom of this. Actually, magnet for the dub. Bro, oh my gosh. Magnet for the dub. It's ridiculous. What was that? Alright. Alright, don't go all the way back down, bro. Computer, make sure we hit TP. Alright, guys, I got this. Computer, activate TP mode. Bro, I'm gonna get banned if I try that. I know what we do need to do, though. Is this destroying everyone's ears? Alright. Let's bring in the algo, YouTube. Come on, gang. Double ARP. Yo, no way we're all the way back down after that. That magnet was actually a dub play. That was actually insane. What was that? Let me check 4x. See what that news was about. That was so stupid. The fact that price cannot be like reinforcing my delusion that the magnet works. As soon as we put the magnet on the screen, price immediately like rocketed. And I don't see any catalyst for that. There's like orange folder, diplomatic and indirect channels of talks with the US are not closed. We low-key know that. Yeah, there's like nothing. Do I dare add another magnet? I think we have to. I think you're right. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep dropping, you know? We gotta get like a close proximity magnet. Boom, boom. Right there. I'm skipping this. Alright, double ARP gang. Guys, I gotta make a TikTok about this. I gotta bring my account back up because it got freaking banned. Yo, TikTok tweaking, bro. Bro's old drinking, but alright, bro. I can't even drink coffee no more. Yo, why am I getting? Why you guys? I'm getting not one but two people dogging on me for. This is just espresso, by the way. Nah, bro. Black coffee is tough. So, LARP only Sigma Alpha. Nah, this ain't even black coffee, gang. This is just straight espresso. It's just like fuel at this point, you know? It does the job. Dang, bro, this whole chat just on black coffee right now. Sigma. Bro, not really Sigma right now. It looks like this is gonna just drop. We need another push soon. Yo, isn't that what Ashton Hall drinks? Is that like water he dips his face in? Or is that something else? Holy. Bro got the Ashton Hall water? That is actually... That might be like more LARP than... Yeah, Saratoga? Bro, honestly, I think he might be LARPing harder than... Oh yeah, bro. It's not called Saratoga. It's just called Ashton Hall water. Nah, bro. Why is PA not? The magnets gotta hit, bro. Yeah, I gotta get some of that water and LARP with it. Hopefully we're shelving here. Whatever. I'm dedicated to this long. At this point, I'm gonna hold this out. Some wind? Holy, you guys. How am I supposed to find wind, bruh? I definitely passed it, huh? Yo, are we for real right now? Bro, like this? Like that? Bro, by the way, like, for people just joining the stream, this is potentially their, like, actual first impression of me. Yeah, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing all that. I'm not that down bad. Should we threaten it? Nah, I'm gonna get banned, huh? Bro, this is actually dub clip farm. No, this will be a dub clip farm. Let's do like fire at the bottom too, like, right, you know, probably still want to like get burnt, you know. Yo, by the way, I'm like teaching people. Genuinely someone's teacher, by the way. But thing is, it's gonna play out. So, you know, that's like rule number one. You can't take yourself too seriously, you know? The wind strengthens the fire to make the resistance level harder to break. Bro, that's exactly what I was thinking. Yeah, like the wind like fuels the fire and causes like an updraft. It's like, you know, hot air rises. Look at the Discord. What's the Discord? Yo, I see you with the wind magnet combo. Yo, wait till they see this. It's at this point, it's just like, who can make a more ridiculous chart, you know? We have to do a competition.
R.I.P. to all the real niggas worldwide. Salute. Real shit. I ride for my niggas, dawg. I ride for my niggas.
Nah, bro. Price has got a lock in. Bro, I just saw your other one, Lucas. Straight yelling at the charts. No, in all seriousness though, we gotta see this pump soon. Yo, this is not gonna work. Don't be ducking like you never wanted nothing. It's feeling like rap changed. It was a time it was rugged. Back when if a nigga reached, it was for the weapon. Nowadays, I don't know if I can trust this, bro. Spaghetti bolognese in a polo lounge. Me and my G from DC, that's how I roll around. Might look like, but we heavy though. I'll trust the process. I'll stay in, but like, it would be wrong if this works, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make a... I'm literally just gonna post this screenshot with no context. It'll be insane dub though, if we hit TP though, because I'm posting this beforehand. Hey, real ones, you guys gotta comment your charts too, because pretty much only we've been in these longs. Only people on the stream have been loyal to longs. New Met. Yo, Burke just joined. Burke just joined into this. Bro, imagine joining a stream and this is like your first piece of context. What happened to TikTok? Bro, you don't want to know. quick summary is
Lost meals, chicken too fast. 10 grams off my
I
life,
got banned
250 down.
midstream, bro.
Big ass crib, 250 down. Damn. Gave my nigga
Pretty
millions
much,
to them.
I'm never
Shorty gave my
ever
nigga
gonna
10
stream
houses in
Trump
Atlanta,
ever
and
again.
fuck it. Got me thinking like the 7-5.
Bro
Damn.
actually ruined it.
Nigga ain't even seen 30.
It's because he started just saying some crazy stuff on stream.
I ride for my niggas.
Yeah, actually, L.
I slide for my niggas, dawg. I ride for my niggas.
All right, guys, put your goofy ass charts on the in the comments. Let's see who has like the most ridiculous one. Loki Locos might be winning. Bro, $500 payout. Let's go, man. What firm was that with? That's huge. Is that your first payout? Nah, actually, yeah. Time for more fundeds. Bro, Lucid solid payout too. In first payout, bro. That's top percentile. Most people can't even get to their first payout. So the fact that you already got one, bro, that's huge. Yo, I might have to make a little comment in the general. You should make a post in the results channel. It's all because, yeah, bro, like, I don't know what you would do, like, without clicking on my stream and being able to inverse all my plays. So, you know, I'm like a pretty good inverse signal. Bro, actually huge dub though, bro. Good stuff. Eggplant on the candle for Diddy. Bro, insane. $50 away. Bro, the fact that you're 50 away though means that, like, I know for a fact you can get back there. Guaranteed. Like, you clearly got something working. Oh, hell nah. It's mad chill in here. It's mad chill in here because we're gonna hit TP.
I get mad zooted, I got this bad thing I recruited. My passion is a movie, I say fuck her cause I screwed up. I stay on
Got greedy and lost it little by little.
I know my Texas niggas got
Bro, it happens. I've done that before. Was this on like Top Step? Like, did you have a buffer? Or what happened?
I put charisma in my lingo when she fell for me. I gave her realness and that's all she gon' get from me. Bonafide superstar, I'm straight up out the hood. I just did a dose of Percocets with some strippers.
Let's check your guys' charts. Let me check the TikTok.
I just did a dose of Percocets with some strippers.
Oh, it's Lucid. Looking, yeah, break even here, not bad. Bro, that'd be clutch. Yeah, Burke, let me, with your permission, I'll post your payout cert and be like, yo, one of the people who's been a day one got their payout. 2,800 an hour. Bro, how many minis are you trading? That's crazy.
Whip this shit ground up at the head of a seminar. I talk for the real ones. I talk for the
Guys,
ones
are we
who
breaking to
this
the
shit out
upside
of
right now?
Belgium. Free band game. I just did a dose of Percocet with some strippers. I just pour this lean in my cup like it's liquor. I just need a whole lot of drugs in my system. I just try acid for the first time. I feel good.
Position's looking pretty good right now, not gonna lie. Gotta make sure you don't dox yourself on it. Yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah, we'll make sure of it. I pretty much doxed myself. I pretty much have like 0 separation from my trading account to my personal life. So there's pretty much no return for me. I pretty much have to be committed to the LARP life now. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I need more magnets?
Here she go
I
again.
got you.
Pick up the phone, girl. You always on that bullshit. You know I'm finna pull up to the house and I bet you open the door. I love you, baby. You ain't gonna leave me outside, so you might well pick up the phone. Baby, I'm on the way.
I'll definitely secure some profits too if you guys haven't yet. $168. By the way, I only need to hit this level. That's all I'm shooting for. Yeah, definitely make sure to take some partials at least. But in the Discord, bet. Bro, let's go. Good stuff, Berg. Love to see it. Genuinely good stuff. Happy to see the community absolutely cooking. Other one is stopping the profits. Okay, perfect. Yeah. See how low this goes. That push up was pretty crazy. Computer hit 168. Domain expansion, smash TP. It's a decent candle. Alright, bro, we're just actually getting like cooked by PA right now to Drake. That's crazy. Bro, you gonna gym max? Yeah, I mean, you short maxed earlier, so huge dub, right? Bro, you were fat maxing in October? I mean, good start to your day, huge short dub, you know? Went from 8-pack to barely 6-pack. Alright, bro. Quote unquote fat. It's like sub 14% body fat or something, right? At least. Come on, gang. We're not liking that. Bro, 6 to 7%. That can't even be healthy. Were you even able to like enjoy your day? I think I'm like 10 right now.
So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang and my this world.
Okay, looks fine. Okay, looks healthy still. Bro, I'm looking at some of these Jarvis freaking memes. They're so ridiculous to send into the chat. Oh, bro, I'll be unbanned on TikTok by like Thursday. It was only like a 3-day ban. I'm just never gonna stream Trump ever again. You're only able to enjoy it because you're on creatine. Oh, I see. Yeah, how many grams of creatine are you grinding? Like, because the loading phase too is like cooked. Genuinely was like too dehydrated anytime I tried that. You skip loading phase because creatine's too expensive. Facts. It does get pricey. especially considering like how much you should be taking. Bro, yeah, Burke, Trump literally got me banned. Like, if people ask why I'm banned from TikTok, it's genuinely the president's fault. Bro, 10 grams a day is actually ridiculous. I would need to be drinking water 24/7. 10 grams a day. Alright, sounds good, Bert. Congrats on the payout. Good stuff. Bro, 10 grams, you don't do that in one sitting, though. Yeah, I've heard it's one of the most, like, research-backed supplements. Bro, I know, yeah, drinking water is chill. It's just, like, I'm not trying to, like, have to go pee every, like, 5 minutes.
I make it say, when I,
4.50 a gallon is stupid, bro. You should see where I live.
I make it say,
It's like almost $7. You gonna be alright.
what up,
You got that new payout.
me first. She wanna have whatever she like.
Oh, the coconut. Bro, coconut water, electrolytes be hidden. Yeah, there's gas is like $7. I think near like NorCal, slow area. Hey, yeah, bro, good stuff, Burke. Congrats again on the payout. Yeah, I read on the news the other day that like I think San Simeon area, slow area, $7 a gallon. Bro, you just got a hood max and then you'll get like some decent price gas, you know? I got a hood max soon because I'm getting low on gas. I got a payout max too. So I gotta make sure I get a payout this week.
Champagne, more toasts, more damn planes, more coasters, and fuck a bus the Benz park like Rosa Oza. When
Price is not looking terrible. Slowly uptrending. Still pretty confused on what that huge break to the upside was.
But you gotta bring your friend, and we can have a hell of a night through the day. She blamed it on the alcohol. She had her head did it, was bound to fall. Down for a damn cut, he already said it. Up on her Facebook, I already read it. But man, her head was gooder than the music. Electro body, known to blow fuses. A stripper from the south, looking for a payday. Said, bitch, you should do it for the love like Ray J. But they say, you be on that conscious tip. Get your head right and get up on this conscious dick. I embody everything from the golly to the party. It's the way I was raised on the south side safari. So when I make it say, yeah. When
I'm honestly so impressed with the Hagen State tool today. It's been performing so well. Oh, see, man, just saw that. Dude, yeah, good luck Jim Maxing.
Yeah, get some of the shit. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me with respect. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me with respect. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me with respect. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me with respect.
Kind of just ranging in this area right now.
Black on red like I whip the sambo. Clip so long it'll make you mumble. Watch you tangle, dirty wine. She grind on my dick like 100 times. Shorty let me long when I grip her sides. And slip inside like a slip and slide. My electric eel do electric slide.
Let me clean up these charts. Holy.
I just wanna feel in your booty. Grab the camcorder, we can make it a movie. Bring a friend with you if you like how I do it. Gold chain swinging and she like how I shoot it. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me with respect. Keep a gold chain on my neck, fly as a jet. Boy, better treat me.
Let's get Trump to say something bullish. Quick dub on TP. Still not bad. Just quite boring, honestly, sitting in this long, not gonna lie. Let's check gold. Similar PA for gold. Crude oil on its way down. That explains this. Bro, you're back. I think it's working. I cleaned up the charts, not gonna lie. It's still cooking though. Bro, I had. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's working. Yo, it's still working. Bro. Yo. Yo, are we for real right now? This is so stupid. Holy. Yo, this is actually gonna be an insane post. Flipping this is gonna be insane. Such a good idea. Putting all that on the charts. Bro went to the bathroom. Alright, so new method is Wilkos needs to be away from the screen, and Kif needs to be at the screen. And then we rock it. That's the method. Yeah, it's that easy. Alright, computer. Hit TP. Gonna hit the gem. Alright. That should hit then if you're gonna be away from the screen. That'll be light work. Computer, smash my TP. Yo, PA, lock in. What is this? We should be fine. Keep going. Keep going, PA. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, we're pumping. Let's go. Let's go, gang. Dub, this would be gas. I mean, it's not looking bad right now. Oh. I should probably be like screen recording this. Just in case, you know. No, don't miss it. Okay. I thought it was gonna hit TP without me screen recording. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna just do some like corny edit. Something like I never want to work a 9 to 5 or something with some LARP music sped up, hitting TP, you know what I'm saying? That'll go hard. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I got the screen recorded. I got the screen recorded. Let's fucking go, guys. Bang, chat. Bang, chat. Absolutely massive, guys. This is why we maintain our conviction. Holy. Yo, guys, make sure to like the TikTok because I posted the long before we hit TP. So genuinely, that was free sauce if anyone saw that beforehand. That was actually a huge dub, guys. Oh, I'm still screen recording, oops. Come on, guys. Come on. We seriously should have been streaming on TikTok. We could have gotten so many people to make some mad profits. Just gonna like comment on my own TikTok with that, with the update on that trade. Good stuff, guys. Well, I got a funded account on one of those. Got some solid profits on another account. That was pretty huge. Yeah, this is actually... Oh. Are we genuine right now? Do you have a restriction? Is it because I was cussing? Bro, I gotta actually, like... I don't even think I'm that out of pocket, you know? Maybe I am? I swear, if my live streaming ability is turned off on YouTube too, that is so cooked. Well, I think we're gonna end early, guys. Bro, I think I think YouTube either thinks I'm like a minor, or it's because I was using profanity earlier when TP hit, which honestly I do not regret. I may have gotten a warning on my live because I didn't keep it positive and fun. I better end though before I start like screwing myself over. Good stuff today, guys. Obviously, smash TP. Huge green day. I might trade Asia again. Bro, I genuinely don't know. Like, I didn't even think I'm like that out of pocket, but maybe I just need to like watch my language or something. Genuinely not sure. Yeah, I feel like they're tripping. But I'll keep the Discord updated. I better make some like edits for some content because a lot of our outreach is like screwed right now because most of that was from our live streaming. Hopefully you guys were able to cook on that long though. And hopefully Lil Close's TV got smashed while he's at the gym. So yeah, good stuff guys. I'll be in the Discord. But GG.